Hi, Zara.
Hello, Max.
How are you?
I am pretty good.
What is your name?
My name is Emily.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 am.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I relax by listening to music.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English, Hindi, and French.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel too.
How do you learn English?
I learn English by watching Best English online.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like taking photos.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
Are you a morning or night shower person?
I prefer morning showers.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Why do you like coffee?
I like coffee because it's energizing.
When do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock am.
Are you a student?
No, I am not a student.
Does she work here?
No, she doesn't work here.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
How do you commute to work?
I commute by bus.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is David.
Why do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy reading because it relaxes me.